What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Spell token, which has pumped up quite a bit today and as well as over the last couple of days, about a week guys, since the crypto pump took place. And as you guys can probably see, Bitcoin has pumped up over $91,000. So today's focus is on Spell token, looking at what is its prediction for the rest of November, December, for the rest of the year, and going into 2025. What can we expect from Spell token? Is it a crypto to be investing into right now if you haven't? Is it too late? Is it one to sell if you're on a profit, or is it one to hold going into next year guys? And essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the CoinMarketCap website here. We can see the crypto has pumped up just about 18% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. So right now we're looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that Spell token has effectively broken out from the red zone and right now trading into the green zone. So is it heading up or back down? That's what we'll be focusing on later on. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Spell token, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And yes, they are not looking too steep either, meaning this is much more realistic than a usual chart when it's looking quite steep. So overall minimal increases in value are expected from a Spell token over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, is what my expected predictions are at the moment. Again, of course, do expect the odd red candles in between where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip. However, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we have the blue and the orange line still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction and not looking too steep either. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, Spell token should once again go through an overall increase in value guys. So potentially a good 30 to 40% increase minimum is what I'm expecting from where it is at the moment. However, as mentioned in my previous updates, I'm expecting a little bit of a dip from the crypto market over the potentially 1 or 2 days over the weekend and very early next week, and then pumping back up by mid to end of next week, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm also expecting Bitcoin to drop down to around $88,000 before it pumps back up, going for a little bit of a dip because it's been constantly hitting green candles and going up in value over the last week or so. So it's time for a little bit of a price correction, should I say, in the crypto market before it goes back up. So be aware of that as well guys. But I'll keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market. So if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a major impact, I will let you guys know. So if you guys want to stay in the loop, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. So moving on to the daily chart, again guys, we're looking a little bit more steep this time compared to the previous two charts. Reason being is it's done quite a major increase over the last week or so. So the crypto, or the graph, thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping at this pace over the next couple of weeks. However, that is not the case and it's not realistic either. So towards the very end of this year, very early next year, I'm expecting Spell token to have got rid of 1-0, guys. So trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment is what my predictions are at the moment. And again, of course, expect the red days, as I keep saying, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So far so good for Spell token over the short term and the long term as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, it is currently trading in the green zone, and yes, it has broken out from the red zone. However, it has resisted at the resistance level here for about 2 to 3 days, as you guys can see, and it has effectively broken out, which means this is much more sustainable than a crypto which just literally goes from the red zone into the green zone within 1 day with no resistance. This is much more sustainable. So yes, it will stay at that value and potentially with very minimal dips in between. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone up over 70% in the last 24 hours, making it over nearly $68 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Over the last week, the crypto has done a 40% increase, and again, a lot more people are currently trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. So yes, it is getting a lot of attention. So would I buy, would I sell, or would I hold on to it? I've bought this crypto a couple of years ago and I'm still holding on to it. I haven't sold a single penny out of it. Would I invest into it right now if I was looking to invest? Personally, no, I wouldn't, because I'm expecting it to dip down a little bit. So when it does, I will invest into it. But at the moment, the crypto is already on its increase, so I wouldn't really invest into it at the moment. Just like majority of the crypto market at the moment. However, if I was to sell it, for example, if I had $1,000, I would probably take out about $300 to $400 if I was on a profit, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've still got majority of my investment into Spell token, which in my opinion works both ways. It's a win-win situation, and I'll be holding on to the rest going into 2025 and the coming years as well. Let me know in the comment section down below your predictions and your takes on this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2024? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.